we are going to talk about how to use a jeweler's saw. This is a jeweler's saw frame. It has a handle and then a screw at the top, a screw at the bottom, and one on the side that can adjust the height of your frame. I rarely adjust this one, but it is an option. Jeweler's saw blades usually come in a pack of 12. You can remove the binding and pull out a saw blade. As you can see here, they're pretty flexible and there are hundreds of little tiny teeth. Here's a zoomed in image of that. They are very sharp and point in one direction. Now when loading your jeweler's saw, you want the teeth to face out and down. Here is a diagram with a close-up image of that. A little trick that I like to use is to lightly run my thumb along the saw blade to make sure the teeth are pointing in the right direction. You're going to place the blade in between the top screw, tighten, and now the tricky part is making sure that your tension is correct. To do this, I'm going to press the saw frame into my bench to create tension while tightening the bottom screw. Correct, and your saw is ready to use. When sawing, I always recommend safety first. Please wear your safety glasses. I recommend using cut lube. This is a type of wax that acts as a lubrication when the blade is running through the metal. I like to draw my design using a Sharpie marker directly on the metal. If you are working at a traditional jeweler's bench, you will have a bench pin, which will have a V, and this is where a majority of your sawing is going to be done. When sawing, do not put your hand in front of your saw blade. Instead, you will want to hold your metal from behind the blade or from either side. I recommend going slow and steady to start with a light grip on your saw frame and long strokes to utilize the entire saw blade. When following your guidelines, be sure to turn your metal instead of turning your saw frame. If you come to a dead end and the metal does not fit in between your saw frame, you can remove your saw blade from the metal and start at a different angle. Good posture and patience makes for a better sawing experience. Now that I have my piece fully cut out from the metal, I could drill a hole, use it as a charm on a necklace, maybe make it into a pair of earrings. The possibilities with this are endless. Happy sawing!